Assalamu alaikum, this is Aklan from Crypto Crazy. In today's video I am going to demonstrate that how to mine Zcash on your Windows device. For this purpose you will be needed three things. One is Zcash wallet, and the second is a miner, third is a pool. So let me show you how to get these three things to start the mining on your Windows device. Let's go to get started on Zcash website and go to find a wallet. We will first download the wallet, which address we will use in the miner to receive our reward. Let's go to download Zcash wallet lite, download for desktop. Now click go to windows.ms. It will download wallet into your desktop. Download it. Now the second thing that we needed is the miner. This is the link for the miner. I will provide it in the description. This is called EWBF miner for Windows. EWF CUDA's Zcash miner 0.4 Pro for Windows. And now download this zcash.miner app. Click onto it. And download it. And now the third thing that we needed is a pool. Let's check about the pools. Now again go to get started and go to mining Zcash. How it works: to secure the network, Zcash uses a proof of work mining algorithm. The proof of work means that miners compete against each other using processing power to produce a new block on the chain. The more processing power you will have, the more will be you rewarded. The first miner that succeeds completing the proper computation for each block is awarded with the network standard block reward and any fees for any transaction they add to that block. We highly recommend joining a mining pool rather than mining solo. They are recommending to mine in a pool rather than mining solo. It provides a more steady income stream based on the hash rate contributed rather than only getting paid when your ASIC mines a block. In choosing a mining pool, you can consider the size of the pool, payout methods, pool fee, geographic location of the pool, ping time to the server. I will show you these things later in the video. Now go to Zcash mining pool to select a pool. This is the third and last thing that we needed for mining Zcash. These are all the pools, active pools. I am going to choose fly pool. It's providing 510 M sols per second. Click onto it. Now click on to let's start mining now Zcash. These are the information. So let's install the Zcash wallet and the miner that we downloaded earlier. Let me make a folder. Extract it with the help of WinRAR. Go to miner.cfg configuration and enter the mining pool details that you want to join. Open it with the help of Notepad. Now scroll down and go to main server and change these values according to the mining pool that you want to join. Let's go back to the mining pool. If you are living in Europe, you will use this server. I am living in Asia, so I will use this link, copy it, and paste it here. And now the port is 3333. In user here you will enter your address, wallet address. So let's install the wallet that we downloaded earlier. Here is the Zcash wallet Lite. Install it. Now we have installed the Zcash wallet successfully. Let's open it to get our address. Now create a new wallet. Copy your seed phrase and save it to a secure location. Now start wallet. Now go to receive. And there are two kinds of address. One is shielded and other is transparent. Shield is encrypted and transparent is, let's copy it, copy address. Now paste it into configuration of the miner. Now we are done. Save it. I would like to add a dot. Now save it, close it. Now we have successfully joined the pool. Let's go to the miner, and if you feel any kind of difficulty, then you can choose these configuration guides for Windows NVIDIA. This is the EWF miner that we are using. You can download the configuration guide if you feel any kind of difficulty. So now let's enter our wallet address here, miner address, that is our miner address. Now let's mine. Run the miner. After running the miner, you will get your status here active. It will take 10 minutes for you to show active here. The more CUDA cores your graphic card have, the more will be your processing power and more will be your reward. So this was our today's video.